How to add money to pandabuy. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. I will also be showing you how you can save your fee while adding money to your balance. So for that, just open up your pandabuy account. You can open it up either on your PC or laptop or on your mobile device. After that, open up your profile and you will find this option of user center. Just select it. After that, you need to scroll down and find the option of wallet and then just simply select it. And in your wallet, you will be able to find this option of top up. Just click on it, then type the amount that you want to top up. Suppose I want to add 1000 Chinese currency, which is around $149.70. So I will just type that particular currency that I want to add and then click on confirm and wait for it to load. After that, you will see plenty of options to choose from. You can choose either PayPal or credit card or any other option, but when you scroll down to the end, you will be able to see that there is zero handling fee transfer when you use Wise. So you can use this one also in case if you want to save your handling fee, because currently we are paying around $6.06 handling fee, and if we add that particular amount to one of our product, then we can buy some really cool products on this particular website. So it's better to save some fee, and after that simply click on this option of confirm payment, and this way you would be able to save some money in your fee. And also this is how you add money to pandabuy. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.